Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Ninja Warrior Push Wall. Before starting, I swept and mopped the floor. For the wall, I used a Clorox wipe to make sure my area was clean. After cutting apart all my items, I will then plan the placement of the feet. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. Now I'll remove the backing from my square and carefully place it onto the floor. I'm using a wave motion with my squeegee to ensure a smooth application. The distance you place the squares from the wall will depend on the age of your students. Older students may need them positioned further back. Next, I'll apply my wall pieces, removing the backing and placing accordingly. Pro tip, if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and squeegee after placing the images. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a stronger bond. I'll finish up by placing my floor pieces. And that's it. More videos coming soon.